Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa simple random sampling. Naguguluhan ka din ba kung paano kukunin at pipiliin ng respondents? Ngayon, ipapakita namin ang kinds of simple random sampling.
Tandaan, in research, the participant or response for patient, individual or group of people that serve the source of the information during the data collection. Napakahalaga ng papel o role na ginagampanan ng ating mga response or participant. Sila kasi ang source na pinagmumulan ng information kapag tayo ay nasa data collection na. Kaya naman alam dapat natin yung paraan kung paano sila kukunin o pipiliin.
Sa pagkuha ng sample respondents, may dalawang paraan na pwedeng natin gamitin, ang probability sampling at ang non-probability sampling. Madali lang yung dalawang yan. Umpisahan natin sa probability sampling.
Probability sampling, a type of sampling in which all members of the population are given a chance of being selected. This is also termed as scientific sampling. Under the probability sampling, we have 4 scientific types. It is simple random sampling, stratified random sampling, cluster sampling, and systematic sampling.
In this video, I am going to share to you the what and the how of simple random sampling. Simple random sampling, a method of choosing sample in which all the members of the population are given equal chance to be selected as respondents.
Again, sa simple random sampling, lahat ng miyembro ng iyong target population ay may chance na mapili bilang respondents. Maganda ang technique na ito kasi maiwasan o naiaalis yung bias and pagpili ng iyong mga respondents.
Getting the samples through simple random sampling fishbowl technique. Ito po yung ibang paraan under the simple random sampling.